Hi everybody, this is Dick again with another SQL walkthrough problem here at Data Lemur. This time we're doing another easy problem here from Robinhood. The question here is we want to write a query to list the top 3 cities that have the most completed trade orders in descending order, outputting the city and number of orders. We're given 2 tables here, the trades table. We have the order ID, user ID, price, quantity, status, timestamp. And the users table has a user ID, city, email address, and sign-up date. Alright, so to start out, I like to put a few notes up the top here, just stating what we're doing. So we want top 3 cities with most completed trade orders. We want that in descending order. Alright, so there's a couple ways we can do this. Since this is an easy problem, I'm going to start with the easy way. The problem with the easy way is it's not the most robust, and I'll show you a better way that is more robust, but it is more difficult. Alright, so we're going to start off with just select. Let's see, we want the city and the number of orders. So city, and we'll just do count star. Now the issue here is that the city is in the users table. The completed orders is going to be the status in the trades table. So let me write this down here. We want to make sure we have completed orders, so that's status equals completed. Okay. And so since they're in 2 separate tables, we're going to do from trades T, and then join users U on, and let's see, the common field here is user ID. Let's go T.user ID equals U.user ID. Alright, now I'm going to come back up here. So city is in users, U dot. And I change this to T dot. We don't actually have to do that since city is in only one of the tables and status is in only one of the tables. We don't really have to use that prefix, but it does make for better readability later on. Okay, so we want where T.status equals completed. Alright, let's just run this right now to see what it looks like. Oops, yeah, we got a group by. We're going to group by U.city. Because we want the count for each city. Okay, so Boston, Denver, New York, San Francisco. There's only 4 of them here. And as we can see here, they only have, each has a different unique count. So we're going to order by count. And we want that in descending order. Run code. There we go. And you can put count star there, but you don't have to. And then finally we want to get the top 3, limit 3. And there we have it. All right. Now there are a couple of problems here. One problem is not every version of Linux of SQL has a limit clause. For instance, Oracle SQL does not use a limit clause, so you can't use that. Another problem is what happens if we have a tie for this last place here. Now, the limit 3 will only give us 3 regardless. Let's say you're trying to reward your top performer at your company, but maybe you have 2 that match the same metric. Well, you could, if you do just limit 1, you're only going to get 1 of them, which isn't fair to the other employee. So we want to find 2. Well, we could do limit 2, but then what if there's a 3-way tie? You could keep changing it until you make sure you've got all of them. Or you could try something called a window function for rank. So I'm going to do something a little different here. Let's go. We're going to do add this window function. I'm going to just put this on a separate line. Rank over. And then we want in here order by count star. And we're going to run that. I'm going to take off the limit clause now. I'm going to, this rank is backwards here, as you can see. So we're going to order by count star descending. Okay. And, oops, I didn't want to do that. Yep, I haven't finished yet. Run code. Oh, come on. Yeah, I know. Huh. All right. Run code. All right. And so now the rankings are correct. Thing is, we have that rank there, but we don't actually want that ranking in the final output. So we're going to make this a common table expression, and then we're going to get the information out of that. So with, I'm going to call this ranked as, and then put all of this in parentheses. And now we'll just do select. We only again want the city and the count. From ranked. Now again, let's see what we have so far. Oops, just take that out. Okay, there we go. Now we want the top 3. In this particular case, I could use it, the count there, but I'm going to do it a little differently because we know that we have the rank there. So where rank is less than or equal to 3. Again, if I use the count, we wouldn't be getting ties necessarily. So rank less than or equal to 3. We'll run that, and now we have the correct answer again. I want to talk a little bit about the rank function here. There are actually 2 different rank functions, plus there's a related one called row number. So put some comments here. We have this rank function. Let's say we've got 4 things that we want to order. We want the numbers 4, 4, 3, and 2. Okay. So if I rank those numbers, I'm going to get these places. The 4 is going to be in first place, and along with the other 4 is also going to be in first place. The 3 has 2 places, 2 ahead of it, so it's in third place. And then the 2 is fourth place. There's another one called dense rank. Which gives places as the 4s are still 1. But dense rank doesn't leave any spaces. So the next one in line is second place, and then third place. And then, of course, row number gives exactly what you would think it is. If the 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2 are in that order, it's simply 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So those are some pretty useful Windows functions that you use a lot. Just wanted to show that to you. Okay, we're all done today. Thanks for giving a like, giving a watch. If you did like it, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.